join me on board 1706. I'm going to get the 33 to Castlepoint now, so I'll see you on the 33 for Leo's Grand Adventures. It's changed now.
33.
Why am I on the veggie boss?
33 to Royal Bournemouth Hospital and Castlepoint.
Yeah, no.
So today's bus I'm on is 1199 HF58 GZO, and this is currently working the 1032 service from Alum Chine. So I'm now on the board 1199. We've got Luca and Cade as well.
He's finally
Sup, man?
Wait, let me move Cade.
So 10:55. We're running a little bit late. So
London on with it. You're in W City.
that's an E400 MMC.
No, look. London.
Oh yeah.
We expand to BIC.
Yes, nice.
I'm gonna do my time.
Me too. What on earth is that on the 82? 1646.
Only one, not a New Forest, which is quite strange.
That's definitely strange indeed. Fair enough. So, we're currently at Bournemouth Bus Station. So apparently there's a new thingy. Lux Play, whatever it is.
So guys, I'm packed with everything.
Fair enough.
Got every single.
So today's episode sees us do the new route of the 33 from Alum Chine to Bournemouth and Castlepoint. Now the bus I was on this morning was 1199, which was pretty rare for a 33, but it was a nice bus, as it's a Scania NT30UD Omni City. Now, timings for the 33, you're looking at an hourly service Monday to Saturday, but no Sunday or bank holiday service. This is just to help people to get to Castlepoint a much quicker way, rather than the 20, which now serves Christchurch, but still serves Castlepoint. Anyway, enough said and done. I'm going to leave you to the time lapse, and I'll see you at Castlepoint for some bus spotting before jumping on 1631 on the 33 to Bournemouth. I'm now at Castlepoint. We've just got off the legendary 1199. So we're now going to wait for 1264.
The assault alarm bus.
The assault alarm bus.
Oh, Max.
Here we go. We've got 1124 HF58 GZO on the 15 to Poole. So leaving now, we've got 1124, Luca's favourite bus. Hey! 1124's the best.
My favourite Scania MB.
He's well miserable. Fair information for today. If you want to travel on the 33 between Alum Chine and Castlepoint, you'll just need a Fair Zone ABC ticket. You can also use tap on and tap off as well. So what are we doing, Luca?
We're getting 60, 31 on the 33rd time.
But first, we're going to get an assault alarm from 1264! So, whilst I wait at Castlepoint, 1264 is going to be here in 2 minutes. So, alright, well. So, we've got 1718 on an M1 to Royal Bournemouth Hospital. So departing now is 1719 HJ73 JKK. He only just gave us a wave. I'm here at Castle Lane, stop. Is it B this is? Yeah, so we've got an E400 MMC on the way back.
There he is.
Oh, 1631's just coming. Let's quickly talk about the timetable. If you want the 33 towards Bournemouth and Alum Chine, your first one from Castlepoint on a weekday is 8:33 in the morning. Last one 6 p.m. 8:41 on a Saturday. Last one 5:41. So our 33 is just coming in now. We've got the legendary 1631. So let's jump on board. Today's bus for the 33 to Alum Chine is 1631 HF66 CEV. There we go. Your features on board 1631, you've got USB chargers, stop bells, and next stop announcements. So I'm on the 33 to Bournemouth and Alum Chine with #1 Bus Veg, and his name is Bus Veg. I'm looking at you, Luca. I'm looking at you. Don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. Ow!
I'm faking it all along. Ow! Get scared.
Oh, 1626.
Not all things can be real.
What not things can be real?
Bradley's been a veg.
Of course he is, Cade.
Being a real good. Give me your 8-7 license. What? He's squishing me. He's squishing me. Yeah, he's squishing me.
What are you doing?
He's squishing me.
He loves being gay.
I'm not gay. I'm bisexual. Stop squeezing me.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Get off! I need it!
So we're now making our way to Bournemouth on the 33 from Castlepoint on board ex-UniBus 1631 HF66 CEV. Now I'm going to leave you to the time lapse and I'll see you back in Bournemouth East Cliff. We go, we've got 1612 on the next 3, very rare. Hey, back to the here and now. So the 33 is one of the, what I like to call the council bus routes, along with the 18 and 36. This used to be Zela bus before transferring over to Morebus as well. Now the 33 used to run from Alum Chine to Christchurch, but as of the 23rd of May, it's now serving Castlepoint. This means the 20 is now taking over part of the 33 route. Anyway, see you at Bournemouth East Cliff, where I'm going to walk over to Bournemouth Railway Station. So as you can see now, we're just coming up to Keviston Court bus stop. This is also where the Beach Breezer 70 serves in the summer, but I will come back to the, we'll have a look at these bus stops when I do the 70 this June. So the 33 runs every hour, Monday to Saturday, but no Sunday service on Sundays and bank holidays as well. So the 33 does take the scenic route to Castlepoint via the Bournemouth East Cliff, whereas the other Castlepoint routes, including the M1, 12, 22 and 20, avoid the coast, with the 12 serving Muscliffe on its way to Castlepoint, and the 22 serving Springbourne and Boscombe and Townsend as well. So I'm going to leave you to the journey, and I'll see you back at East Cliff, where I'm going to go over to Bournemouth Railway Station by foot. I'm now at Bournemouth East Cliff, just got off 17:30 with a nice tone from the driver. So I'm going to walk down Merrick Road towards Lansdowne to get the 50 to Swanage at about roughly 1:50 p.m, because I might not make it for the 1:20 service. So here along Bournemouth East Cliff, you could get the Beach Breezer 70 to Poole and Rockley Park, and the 70 to Holborn, and the 33 to and also the 33 to Castlepoint as well. So the reason why the 33 is now extended, because Morebus decided to take it nice and easy though. That's all. So I'm now coming down Merrick Road, as I'm gonna make my way over to Bournemouth Railway Station to get my 50 home. Anyway, see you at Bournemouth Railway Station. Here's 1712 and 1695. So the 33, the 33 still runs every hour, Monday to Saturday, but unfortunately there is no Sunday service on that route. So, well, I've just seen 1712 that left. Oh, that's going back to Swanage. So my next 50 will be at 1:50, and I do believe I've got 1701. So this means I'll probably have a very busy bus, because everybody will be making their way home from Bournemouth. So whilst I wait for 1701 to go out, which will be at 10 to 2 this afternoon, I'll do some bus spotting in the meantime. This 12 arriving in now is 243 HF58 GZO, which is currently working, I do believe, the 1:20 12 service to Castlepoint and Royal Bournemouth Hospital. I'm now going to walk over to Bournemouth Bournemouth Railway Station Stand B at 17:01. It's going to go out in nearly 15 minutes time. So see what other buses I can spot here in the meantime. This coach departing Bournemouth Bus Station Bay E. This is the 13:35 service to London. So that's going out in a minute. So 17:04 is just standing here at the moment. That one's going out in 15 minutes. So I'm going to watch this bus go. That's 2:50 on the 6th to Wimborne. So this coach ready to depart now is a 35 to London with its National Express Levante Saitano. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Leo's Grand Adventures. Thank you all for watching, and the next episode will be on Saturday the 30th of May. Goodbye.